Okay, here we go. We stand opposite each other at a some distance so that each of us can take 4 steps towards the center of the dance floor. We take small steps. We start with the right leg, both men and women. The wedding guests are on my left, Dominica is on the right side towards the guests. We take steps towards each other and I will give my partner a right hand, she will grab my hand with her right hand. 4 steps. Right, left, right, left. I give my right hand to my partner, Dominica puts her right hand on mine. I continue my movement in a circle. I take 4 steps, my partner turns around.
First, let me pay attention to my hands. If I can, I grab a dress. I can grab the dress at any time when I am not holding my partner's hands or we are standing in a dance hold. You can train with a wide dress at home to learn when you have time to grab the dress. Hands should not be glued to the body. If you have a narrow dress, your hands should be slightly away from your body at all times. Hands close to the body look bad in photos and make us look stiff. I stand with my right side towards the wedding guests, starting with my right leg. I take 4 steps. When I see that my partner has given me his right hand, I place my right hand on his. The 5th step continues my movement in a circle, then I turn from my left leg, take 3 small steps, turn under my right hand. Tomek lifts my right hand so that I can turn under my right hand. Our hands are above my head as I turn. Ladies, we have to wait until the gentlemen give their hands first, it looks very elegant. Ladies, you cannot be the first to reach out to your partner. It is a very common mistake that girls want to grab their partner first.